Hey, I'm Justin Sauls. I work with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, and I'm on the dig crew. I chose Pipe Wrench Plumbing because I heard they had a great family atmosphere, place where you could fit in, and not only that, but display great work. And that's something I take a lot of pride in, is being able to finish a project and stand by it proudly. Before I found Pipe Wrench, I spent a lot of time doing tile work, pest control, really anything that offered work at that time. Found my place here in plumbing and haven't looked back. My favorite thing about our day-to-day work is the constant opportunity to grow and get better at different tasks, whether it be machinery, plumbing, moving stuff out of a crawl space, demo work. You know, there's always an opportunity for growth and showing why you deserve to be here. My life outside of work isn't too crazy right now, only for the simple fact that we are saving up to buy our first home right now, which I'm so thankful for Pipe Wrench for putting me in a position to where I'm able to do so. Majority of my time spent playing pool. Every Wednesday I'm in a pool league that we compete every week. 2019 we're actually in Nationals in Las Vegas to compete. I take great pride in being able to lead a team to victory every week and compete to get those trophies.